Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store error while trying to download apps from the App Store. So to fix this, first head to the Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on your Apple ID at the top. Now here you will need to go to Payment and Delivery. Now in this menu, make sure you have added a payment method. If you haven't, you can use this Add Payment method to add one here. Additionally, you will also need to add a shipping address, so simply go to this add shipping address option and make sure you have entered all the necessary details there. Now go back to the previous menu. Now here you will need to click on media and purchases. Now select the view account option. Now make sure you have selected the right country and region. If you haven't, or if you have moved to a different country, make sure to update this from here. Finally, if nothing else works, your last option is to go to this iCloud menu here. Now scroll down and tap on upgrade to iCloud Plus. Now here you will need to select to upgrade to iCloud Plus. You don't actually have to buy the iCloud, but you need to follow the on-screen prompts to make sure that your payment method works. So simply double click to subscribe. Now it will ask you to verify the payment method. Simply tap on continue and then follow the on-screen prompts to verify your payment method. Once you have verified the payment method, you can exit this menu. If you still experience problems, your last option is to go to the general settings on your iPhone. Now here scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap this reset option here and then select reset all settings. Once you do this, your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.